when the first people go in, or I should say when a group for the first time goes in, it's as you say, Brad, it's like herding cats. They got, well, I got this, or that reminds me of something back in the 60s, or, I had an experience one time, or somebody told me of an experience, and we just go all over the planet, and it's like, but, and this is a dance that is, I don't know if anybody does it perfectly, but this dance is that the facilitator has to create and impart value into everybody, while at the same time being able to corral and say, you know what, okay, there's a lot of good stuff in there, but let's go back over here. Let's go back to where, as you say, the anointing is. Let's go back to where, and sometimes you have to actually ask people, do you remember when Susie said something or Joe said something a while ago? Did you feel that little something in you? That is what wants to be our guiding light. That is what we want to pursue. That's what we want to follow, is where's the stirring of his spirit? The troubling of the waters. The troubling in this case just means stirring of the waters. When the spirit waters get stirred, we want to stay on that. We want to pursue that. So over time, which I'm happy to say this group and the other couple of groups that I'm with, including the one local here in person, we've been together enough that we're actually starting to flow together pretty well. And I feel very, very encouraged and delighted about that. Patience, perseverance, some gentle corralling, adjusting. Let's go over here. And affirmation, giving value.